This is Miss Carla, and it's time for slime science. Let's get started. Good morning, friends and fellow scientists. Today is Slime 101, and today we're making the best slime, in my opinion. We're making a butter slime. I love butter slime because it's soft and squishy and just nice and isn't too sticky, and it's the best slime in my opinion. But this time we're making a take on butter slime, and we're making galaxy butter slime. So we have a whole slew of mix-ins and fix-ins to put in our slime. So let's get started. It's going to be out of this world. Pick up your kit from the library. You'll find that it comes in a bag like this, and it has a ton of stuff in it. So you're going to start off by working at a station at your table or someplace where your parent or guardian has approved of you working. Slime does get a little messy no matter how careful you are. So make sure that you're wearing things that can get a little dirty and you're at a space that's easy to clean. So you should have a bowl and a spoon, a bottle of glue. If you're not following this with the kit that was provided for you for the library, it's 4 fluid ounces of glue. You can use whatever kind of glue you want. I find that clear glue works the best for really accentuating the sparkles and stuff, but if you have white glue or a different color glue, totally fine. You have this little container of baking soda. You have a bottle. This is a glass bottle, so be very careful. If you need help opening it, please get an adult or a guardian or an older brother or sister to help you. It's full of saline solution. You're not going to pour all of this in at once. You have some air dry clay. It could be blue or purple. Some sparkles. And some glitter stars. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to open up your bottle of glue. This step you might need some help from a grown-up because it's pretty difficult to open if you can't get your finger under there, so get some help if you need it. You're going to open it and dump the entire thing out into the bowl. Great. You can put your cap back on if you want to keep it from getting too sticky on your table. Next, you're going to open up your baking soda, and you're going to pour in about half of it. You don't want all of it. You don't need it. And you're going to mix that up. Mix it all in. It might get a little bubbly. You should be able to see some bubbles. It also might turn a little like yellowy. It's just the reaction of the glue with the baking soda. It's kind of hard to see in my camera, but it turned like a little bit of like a faint yellowish color. Now, again, get some assistance if you need it. You're going to open up your little glass bottle. You're not going to dump in the entire thing right away. You're going to dump in a little at a time and stir. So I poured in about half, and you're going to start stirring. You'll see that your slime starts to come together a little bit, which is great. It'll start to pull away from the bowl. See how easily it kind of it's sticking to my spoon. If your slime is not doing this at all, you can add a little more. You want to have a consistency of your slime where it's pulling away 100% from the bowl, and it's also not sticky. So see, mine is still really sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more. It's okay to get your fingers in there. It's going to be sticky. If you don't like the consistency, it gets better. So don't panic. It's going to feel a little goopy. To make it, so once you get it out of the bowl, once you get out of the bowl, it's going to be really sticky still. Like, see how sticky it is? It's like stuck to my hands. So you're going to keep pouring just a little bit at a time of the saline. If you spill some on the table, you can like kind of use the slime to mop it up. Okay, even though that looked like it took like no time at all, it actually took about 4 to 5 minutes to get my slime to this kind of consistency where it's not sticking to my hands. So be patient. It does take a while, and it's not just going to be not sticky right away. So stick with it. Okay, now is the fun part. So you have your slime, and you're going to take your slime and open up your air dry clay. And you're going to start kneading in your air dry clay into your slime. Okay, so that also looked like it took a lot, like no time at all, but it takes about a few minutes. You want to make sure that it's all mixed in so that there's no globs of color, and you can really see that it's all blended, right? So now you're gonna mix in all your mix-ins. This part is pretty messy. Sometimes all your mixings do not stick directly into your slime, so please make sure you're working directly over your table so that when your mix-ins fall out, you don't make a mess. So you're just going to keep mixing your slime. You can add in other things. The glitter glue is a really good one. You might need to use some more of your saline to balance out that glue, so just keep that on standby. If you want to make your butter slime even softer, you can add more air dry clay, or if you want to make it a little stickier and stuff, you can add more glue if you have some at home. So it's really up to you. Other than that, here we have our galaxy slime. And I wish you lots of fun stretching and playing with your slime. And I hope you have a great time. And always be sure to experiment with your slime and add more, add less, see what kind of texture makes your slime perfect. So I hope you have a great time with your slime and you're having a great time making it. I'll see you next time. Bye.